Good morning, students. I hope you all are keeping safe and healthy. My name is Abha, and I am here today to tell you a story about seed and plants. The name of the story is The Tiny Seed. So, on the slopes of Mount Kenya in East Africa, there lived a girl with her mother and father, and she used to help them every day at fields. She just loved being outside. Every day she went to the fields and she would break the soil with a machete and put small tiny seeds into the warm earth. The name of the girl is Wangari. And Wangari lived with her mother, father and elder brother. Her favorite time of the day was just after sunset. That was a time when you couldn't see plants and it was actually the time to go back home. Wangari was actually a very smart girl and she couldn't stop herself from going to school. But her mother and father wanted her to stay back and help them at home and at fields. When Wangari was 7 years old, her elder brother persuaded her parents to let her go to school. Wangari loved to learn. With every book that she read, she learned more and more. And she did so well at school that she actually got a scholarship to go to America and study there at the university for higher studies. When she went to America, she studied about plants and seeds and how they grow. And she recalled how she grew playing games with her brothers under the shady trees of Kenya. Wangari, as much as she got to know about the world, as much as she got to know, that much she started to love Kenya and she was actually missing her home. As soon as she studied her studies got over, she returned back home. But when she came back, she was not happy because she discovered that everything in her country had changed. Huge farms stretched across everywhere. The women did not have wood for cooking fire. The children were hungry. And the men and people, everyone was poor. So Wangari had to do something about it. So she got an idea. And she knew exactly what to do. She taught the women how to grow plants and trees from seeds. After a few days and months, the women learned this skill very well. And with the trees and plants that they sold, they earned money. And with that money, they supported their family. This made the women really happy. And Wangari actually made them feel really strong and powerful. As time passed, the trees came back to life and the river started flowing. And Africa became a beautiful and natural place again with the help of Wangari's idea. Soon, Wangari's idea spread all across the world. People took notice of her and they gifted her with a very special prize, which was a Nobel Peace Prize. And Wangari was the first African woman ever to receive it. Unfortunately, in 2011, Wangari passed away. But we can always remember her whenever we see a beautiful plant or a tree, right? So, my dear students, this story was about a tiny seed and an idea. But that tiny seed transformed the entire country. And the same was Wangari's idea, which transformed the woman's life and people's life in Africa. And I would like to share this with you that please, if you can, plant trees and plant beautiful trees and other creepers as much as you can and create greenery around you. Because I don't think, and I personally feel that you also don't want that the coming generation of us see a world where we don't have nature and we don't have greenery, right? And with this coronavirus period which is going on, I think we all should keep our minds healthy and peaceful and fresh. So how are we going to do that? So you can get plants, you can get flowers from the nursery and make your balcony, make your gardens beautiful. Try to spend time with them as much as you can, water them, and you will yourself discover and notice how healthy, how peaceful and how fresh your minds are, and it will fill you with positive vibes all around. Thank you so much.